I'm here to talk about this traveling water pick. But first, I'm going to give a shout out to the brand for sending it to me in exchange for my thoughts. This traveling water pick is very convenient. It does collapse on itself when you don't have any water in it. Right now it's full. I filled it up in preparation to do this video. Power button turns it on. This will switch over. It'll start in low, goes medium, high. The instructions said that the high mode is too much when you're starting out with it. I personally am in low mode. I tend to have sensitive teeth, and so the low mode is good for me right now. So to release this nozzle, you press that button right there. It's just a spring release. And then you'll hear when you're installing it, it clicks in. Now I'll demonstrate how this works. We'll just show how powerful it shoots. So right here when I press it, it's a low mode. It's pretty intense, but it does really good at cleaning your teeth. So put it in here. So yeah, you can see I used right under half of the water that was in the reservoir. Get you one of these and have a very, very clean and white smile. Thanks.
Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.